Welcome to the TSB program. As you embark on your OER journey, we hope you'll be actively engaging in fruitful conversations. So, how do you get started? Navigate to the login button on the top right of the forum page. Hit the login button, then the sign up tab. Choose an email address, set a password, and then move on to step 2. Again, navigating to the top right of the page and choosing your preferences allows you to edit your user information. Hitting preferences will get you to your account where you can specify a few more pieces relating to your person. You can upload a profile picture, designate your username, hit save, and move in between the different tabs of your account, like, for instance, the profile tab where you can leave a bio, decide what time zone you are participating from, maybe share professional website, and some other details. Please take a close look at the email and notification settings to match them with your interests. You can turn off automatic bot notifications by going to the users button and then muting the Rebus bot, for instance. On the Preferences page, you can also conveniently track all use and communication in the forum space by navigating between the tabs on the top, like the summary, which provides you with a timeline and number of all interactions, the activities, which lists all posts, replies, or polls that you make, the notifications, and personal messages. Welcome to the Rebus community. You can now join any conversation in this space, and more specifically, your TSB cohort.